Hey everyone, today is kind of a sad day for me in a ways because today I will be returning my LG V20 to T-Mobile so that I won't get charged the extra money for having this phone on my jump on demand plan because I upgraded to this phone right here. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So what I've been doing the past week and a half since I got my Note 8 a week in advance before the launch date, which was this past Friday, I've been doing some camera comparisons between this LG V20 and the Note 8. As you guys can notice, when I was doing my LG V20 reviews, it had that B brand carbon fiber sticker. Now it's no longer, it's just plain stock V20. So I also flashed the LG V20 to, I just did a clean format to make it brand new, like how you would get it when you just get it out of the box. So I did that with the V20 right before I started doing the camera comparisons between this one and the and this V20, between the V20 and the Note 8. I reset this back to stock as far as like a fresh clean phone. And this one, as we know, is pretty much new, so that way there wouldn't be any like unfair advantage for the Note 8. So once again, back in the days, this V20, well, with all of LG's V line of phones, they specialize in video recording, their cameras, and also being rugged phones. They have mil-spec 10 certifications, and they also have good audio quality in recording and also in the headphone jack. That's what the V line of phones from LG are known for. So back in the days, I guess last year, yeah, it's only a year old, this was the top of the line video and camera recording phone, and now you have the new Note 8 right here. So quick specs on their cameras. I believe the LG V20 has two cameras in the back right here. The first one being the regular 16 megapixel f1.8 with optical image stabilization, and the second one being a super wide camera with f2.4 aperture. I'm not sure. I'll make sure on the specs later on. And it's got auto flash and a laser autofocus, which at times, even with the fresh reset, did not focus enough, even though it had that laser autofocus. So LG, the V20 here and now the V30, they have dual cameras, but LG setup is different from Samsung. LG's, like I said, has two cameras, one regular wide and the other one a super wide angle. And then Samsung here has two lenses in the back. One is a regular wide camera lens with f1.7, and the other one being a 2x optical zoom with f2.4. So I'm gonna show you guys some videos and some shots I did with both the Samsung and the LG, and then you guys can compare which ones were better. And then, yeah, really sad because I do have to return this now. As much as I wanted to keep it and pay the price for it, to keep it outright and pay the remaining balance. If you guys seen what happened with my LG V10 after I paid the phone the remainder of the balance for that phone, the phone just died on me, so that's why I'm returning the V10. Alright, so here we go. Quick camera comparison between the Note 8, which is the new, I guess you could say the new king of cameras, and then the V20. Alright. Okay, so we're going to start off with some video comparisons indoors at the gym that I work out at with my trainee, ending up with my trainee Jerry, and this one is with the V20. Okay, now the second one, same thing, now with the Note 8, ending off on, again, with my trainee Jerry. And here I apologize for the fingers getting in the way of the video because I was holding the two cameras side by side, or should I say top to bottom, against one another. And I'm just checking for overall stability on the two cameras. This first one is with the V20, and then the second one coming up right about now is with the Note 8. If you're noticing a pattern, the Note 8's videos are colder than the LG V20s, and it's the same thing how it was when I compared the Note 4 and the Note 8. The Note 4 had warmer colors than the Note 8, but the Note 8's video stabilization was much better. Here's the LG V20 again. The other thing that you won't notice here, because I cut out the sound due to, you know, copyright reasons because of the music playing in the background, this is with the V20, is that the V20 had much better audio quality than the Note 8 right now. And I think even the Note 4 had a little bit better audio quality as far as the microphones go compared to the Note 8. Here is inside of the gym in one of the massage rooms. I took a picture of the vase and my shaker bottle. The first one was with the V20. The second one right here is with the Note 8. And this is all at their default cameras. This is pretty much how you would snap and take the picture at its default settings if you're just the normal average consumer. This is with the V20, and now we're at the Note 8. So you can pause the video and go back to just compare them again if you want to see more. So here's with the LG V20's front-facing camera, and it takes super wide pictures with that front camera, but it misplaces the picture. This is with the Note 8, and as you can see, it's more accurate. But if you can read the letters back there, it says "Be Our Guest." Here is inside my recording room with the container of green tea. With this, the V20, and here again is the container of green tea taken with the Note 8, indoors, medium lighting. Here is indoors in dark lighting, but there is a blue light because of the aquarium in the background with the blue fluorescent light. And here again, same shot, only with the Note 8. The first one was with the V20. Here again with the V20, indoors now with the lights on, medium lights. And here's with the Note 8. Here's where the Note 8 does better than the V20, and also it did better with the Note 4, because indoors it gets accurate or better colors or more pictures because of the fact that it's got a higher or a lower f.17 versus the f1.8 or 1.9 of the V20. So that is it for the camera comparisons. That is pretty much all I can get. I apologize if I couldn't get more. I think I did, but I can't find the other pictures. I must have gotten lost or erased accidentally when I cleaned out my the V20, and I apologize for that. So that is it, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again for some more videos. Take care.